Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the major puzzle Durov for today being September 21st, 2024. Let's get into it. Like I always say, the most important thing is putting the headshot on the tiles in the correct order. The correct order for today would be, in this whole box, there are 16 boxes. Each line contains 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. To the end is 16. So the first tile for today will be 13, and the second one for today would be 2, and the third one for today will be 11, and the last one for today for the 5,000 Durov major points is 10. So the correct combination for today is 13, 2, 11, 10. 13, 2, 11, 10. So let's check it out and see if it worked. So now we've got the 5,000 Durov points for today being September 21st, 2024. Please, if you find this video helpful in any way, leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. Please again, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that when I make those videos and I upload them, you would be the first to get them. Thank you very much for staying with me on this one. I will see you on the next. Bye bye.